Hi there and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll walk through how to build a solid voice call screen with the Ionic Design Kit, from the core controls to the little UI details that make it easier to use. Let's get into it. On the left-hand side of your screen, we explore coding with official Ionic documentation snippets. In the center of your screen, we highlight our thoughtfully designed layout created using the Ionic Design Kit. And on the right-hand side, a phone emulator displays the real-time outcomes of our coding. Feel free to pause this video anytime if you need a closer look at something. Let's talk about the voice call screen, one of the most important parts of any communication app. A good call screen should cover the basics: mute and unmute, speaker toggle, hold, and of course, the end call button. You'll also want to show who's on the call, give users the option to add someone else, and include a call timer so they know how long they've been talking. The Ionic Design Kit gives you a full set of pre-built components, ready to drop into your designs. No need to start from scratch, just pick what you need and move on. It's a big time saver. And since everything's based on the actual Ionic framework, developers can plug it in without dealing with custom code. That means less back and forth and a smoother workflow for everyone building the app. You can always grab the code snippets from our website. Everything you need is right there, so you're not stuck guessing. Ready to level up your Ionic workflow? The Ionic Design Kit makes design and development way smoother. That's it for the voice call screen. We'll be covering more screens and app flows soon, so feel free to subscribe if you want more Ionic-focused guides like this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.